Hi YouTube. This weekend I did quite a bit of shopping. I bought some fittings for this beehive stand, and this design came from this YouTube video I saw that is linked to this guy's website. It's called beekeeping.com. And I'll make a video on that, but it's a hive stand building, and I made some modifications to the length and width, and I'm going to make my personal modifications. I have some scrap PVC board. It's called AZIC. It's the same material that's in this, and can be glued with PVC glue. So I'm going to take that board and make a PVC screen bottom board for my beehive, and it'll be glued onto this hive stand. So definitely check out the BK Corner PVC hive stand design. Assuming you have to buy glue, it's probably going to be $30 if you want to build it. And when I make a video on that hive stand, I'll include a link to his YouTube video, and I'm sure if you go to his website, the beekeeping.com, you'd find his YouTube video. I also bought some fittings, some other fittings. This is a solenoid valve I bought earlier, and this is vacuum attachment that I made for my robot. I'll make another video showing the upgrades I made for my robot. It seems to be my most popular video. The average Joe can build manufacturing robots, and it's true. Just about anyone, as long as you have the type of mind to do it, and you have a little bit of money, you can build a manufacturing robot with very little education. And my manufacturing robot has about $500 worth of gear in it, although due to my first time robot inefficiencies, it's the first robot I built, I ended up spending about $1,000, and that includes driving and makerspace fees. But for someone who knows what they're doing, that could cost $700. But of course, it's a manufacturing robot, so it'll pay for itself in product. Let's see if I have, yes. I sell these alcohol stoves, and this was drilled on my robot, bottlestoves.com. It's a hobby business of mine. I don't make a whole lot of money off of it, and if I wanted to, in order to do more with my stove business, I should improve my website. I have someone I could hire, but it's just something I kind of procrastinated with. It's been a hobby for me and less of a business. But these alcohol stoves are around 28 grams in weight, and they're very good for backpacking because you want something lightweight. So back to the fittings. This vacuum system for my robot takes care of a problem. When I ran my robot for about 6 stoves, it got clogged with shavings. There were too many shavings from the drill cutting metal. So when I put in this vacuuming system, I think this took maybe 4 to 6 hours to, I think it took 6 hours, no, maybe 8 hours to come up with the design and actually build it. And it's made of stuff I already had, so it didn't cost me anything. And this allows me to drill 60 stoves in my robot until it clogs because of shavings. Not all of the shavings are vacuumed through this because the vacuum suction would be too strong and would pull the stove up. So I bought a solenoid valve for $5 on eBay, and it screws into pipe fittings, and I'm going to make a system where the solenoid activates when the stove is underneath the vacuum system, and it reduces the suction, and then once the stove is clamped down by the 2 pads on my robot, you have to see my Average Joe Can Build Manufacturing Robots video, but once it's clamped, then the solenoid valve will close again, and then there will be more suction. So it allows me to have stronger suction and hopefully suck out all the shavings. So I'm hoping this will keep my robot clean and allow me to drill like thousands of stoves before I have to clean it out or replace some bearings. Oh, I dropped one of my fittings. I started making some fitness videos and videos about nutrition and science, but I'll probably make more of those, but I noticed that videos where I made stuff, physical stuff, and those got a lot more views. So I figured you guys would want to see stuff that I'm building or made. There are so many things that I make, and I don't have time to make all of them, but I make things that are different. If it's already made, I generally won't make it, but if I want something changed, if I have an upgrade that I believe is really important, then I will make that thing on my own, or I will modify it if I have the time. So please like, comment, subscribe. If you'd like to see more videos, thumbs upping my video helps me get recognized on YouTube, and if I get more thumbs ups, then I'll upload more videos because it gives me an incentive. And I might have a sweepstake. I figure you know, I make these alcohol stoves very efficiently, so I like to make them in batches of 400. And the equipment I use to make it is very low budget. It's always been low budget. I started my business by spending $15 as a startup fee. So I've given away maybe 60 free stoves. Sometimes if I just have a nice conversation with someone, I'll just give them a free stove. I'm pretty liberal about it, but I figure if I have a certain number of subscribers, I could just give out a free stove or a few of them. That could be an incentive to subscribe. I'm David Smolinski. I'll see you later.